Take one.
Do you like pie?
Do you like pie?
Do you like blue?
Do you like blue?
Are you angry?
I'm not angry. I never get angry. Are you angry? Are you getting angry, doctor? Oh, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Are you laughing?
Laugh?
I don't know. I think I laughed. Do you laugh? Would you like to laugh?
Do you like bikes?
I don't know. Do you like bikes?
What's your favorite color?
What's yours?
What's your favorite game?
What is your favorite game?
Do you have a computer?
You have a computer at home? Do you have a computer? Who cares? People have computers.
Do you
Everyone.
like gray?
Gray? Why do I like gray? What does it matter about gray?
Do you have a cell?
A cell? I have a cell? Everybody has a cell. Duh. You need to jack my
Do you
cell.
have a wrench?
A wrench? Okay. What kind of question is that? A wrench?
Do you
Okay.
have a boyfriend?
Do you have a boyfriend? Of course I have a boyfriend. Shoot, I can
Are
get
you
boyfriend.
married?
No, you think I'm real on my finger? I think not.
Why are you so angry?
I'm angry. I told you that before. I ain't angry. I don't see why the judge come here and they say, send me to you, but I ain't angry, okay? I don't need to take counsel or anything. I'm not angry. Are you angry? Why is there laughter in there? Is there laughter in there? I don't see anything in there. You okay, doctor? You're gonna laugh? Can you not stop laughing? I don't see how this is gonna help us. You'd be the laughter doctor. I mean, ha ha ha. You gonna tell me anything now? Because I can't laugh? I can laugh. Any more questions, doctor?
No.
Okay, well, I guess we're done. Tell the judges that I was okay? Okay, so I ain't angry. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay, never get angry. Why are you laughing, doctor?
I don't know.
Neither do I. That's our first show. Have anything to say? We're not the sharpest tools on the shed, if you hadn't noticed.
Wow.
This goes out to people who are, I don't know, who don't get angry. Anything else? Giggity giggity goo! Let's have sex.